don't wanna sleep in, cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do.
Hello everyone, thanks for joining my channel. Today I'll be reviewing this wig from LUVME Hair. The wig came in this luxurious purple box, and they sent this useful item inside this little cute makeup bag. They sent an edge scalp or edge band, whatever you call it, and with the company name on it, which I love, and then an edge brush, elastic edge band, bobby pins, wig cap, tweezer, and then this cute LUVME hair clip. First of all, I really love how they took their times to put the package together. To me, this means they value the customers and care, so I really respect that. Thank you, LUVME Hair. So anyways, y'all, this is the hair. This is the mixed color brown bob wig compact 13x4 frontal. The wig is 12 inches long. It's 180% density, mixed color with number 4 and number 30. It can be dyed and has adjustable straps. So this gorgeous baby right here has 4 combs in total. So it has one in the front, one on each side of the head, and one on the back. So anyways, y'all, I am not gonna do too much talking, so let's get into the video. So as you can see, I'm using my ghost bun lace glue, and I am gonna use 3 coats of glue. So the first one I'm gonna let it dry clear, and then the second one let it dry clear, and then the third one I'm going to let it dry half clear, and then I'm gonna put the wig on and then press it on, and that's all, honey. And yeah, let's just keep watching. Anyways, so yeah, so I know some of y'all are gonna be like, oh my god, she didn't do any ball cap. Like, sis, I do not like ball cap. It's not like I hate it, I'm not a fan of it, you know. So I do what I do. This is how I like it. Anyways, y'all, and what I was gonna say, oh yeah, I did not customize the wig because I feel like it's perfect like this, and yeah, I think it's gonna come out really cute, so don't worry about it. That's how I like it. Okay, thank you.
Forget what it's like to be in debt, been stabbed in the back bed. I'll show you what happens. Pass me the mic and I'll show you with action. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right, and see life do what you want. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right, and see life do what you want. So give me all the scars, I'm a human being. Cover them with tattoos so you can't see. Knew it from the start, you had problems with me and the things I could be, I just wish I had seen. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you could never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right, and see life do what you want. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right, Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, ooh, I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shoot tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes. Pieces is a form of art. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes. I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you. I have no regrets, yeah, I'll tie up my chest. I'll never forget what it's like to be in debt. Been stabbed in the back bed, I'll show you what happens. Pass me the mic and I'll show you with action. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains.
Alright, y'all, so this is the final look. This wig is really soft, and the curls, they're like so bouncy. As you can see, it has so much volumes. This is one of my favorite wigs so far. Yeah, I really love how it turned out. Like, but I feel like I could do better with the edges, but I think I like it like that. But anyways, thanks so much for watching. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video, and I will link all the products I use in this video in my description box. Bye. See you later.
Knew it from the start, you had problems with me and the things I could be. I just wish